Hello everyone, welcome back again to Excel with Ugo. So today I'm going to be showing you how the unique function works. This function can be used to remove duplicate items. So the first thing I would like to do is to bring out the distinct items in my array of data, and the data that is of focus to me is this subcategory section. This particular section, I want to filter the items that appeared more than once. I want to remove the duplicate items, and I also want the items that appeared just once. So we'll start by typing the equal sign and we'll say unique. So I would open my bracket. My array in this aspect will be my subcategory section, and here I will be highlighting my subcategory section without the header. Please note that because my data is in a table, that is why you are seeing the table information on this formula. Otherwise, it would have been the cell referenced. By default, the function has been set to produce result for distinct items. So the only thing I need to do is to press enter. And you can see that all the distinct items have been produced. You would realize that these are items that appeared multiple times, but they have been reduced to once, and those that appeared just once. So for the unique part, which is the actual unique situation, I want just items that appeared only once. I would go again and start with the equal sign and type unique. Going back to the same data, which is the subcategory section, we highlight and put a comma. But for the next argument, which is by column, that will be ignored because we wouldn't need to adjust that. Then I'll put another comma for the last argument, which is exactly once. You can see that there are two options: true, return items that appear exactly once, and false, return every distinct item. So I will click the true and I'll press enter. You realize that in this list, only these three items appeared just once, but these other items, inclusive of the three items that appeared just once, are items that appeared multiple times. So with this formula, you can see that if we choose to put flower vase, you can see that it has been added to both my distinct item list and my unique item list because it appeared just once. Let me change this to bottles, and you can see this is how the formula updates. Anytime a new item is put in that list, your function is updated. I hope this is clear. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in other videos. Bye for now.